So here we have the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. This shortcut code is EQZ, and you will have to get up to like the 85, 90 SMART score, and then you would just turn it back into me saying that you did that. With these, they usually do not give you the picture of a triangle. So I'm going to show you what I like to do. So they're asking, does a triangle with the lengths of 6, 8, and 10, is that a right triangle? Here's what you do. I like to sketch in the triangle here. So I'm going to make a right triangle, just some random right triangle. Here it is. Whoa. All right. So just use your imagination. That is a triangle. And right here is the right angle. We know that the longest length, so 6, 8, and 10, the longest length here is 10. That has to be the one across from the right angle. All right, so we're going to place that in there. And then this is 6. Doesn't matter where you put the 6 and the 8. They're just going to be the two legs of the triangle. So then you'd have to double check and say, okay, does this satisfy the Pythagorean theorem? Well, the Pythagorean theorem is a squared, which in this case is 6 squared, plus 8 squared, which is the other leg. You can call that our b value. And does that equal 10 squared? And if it does equal, you're going to say yes, it's a right triangle. If it does not, you're going to say no. So this is 36 plus 64. Does that equal 100? Hold on, my mouse is freaking out here. All right, does that equal 100? Whoa, whoa. And if you added 36 and 24, you would see that you would end up getting 36 plus 64 is 100. So this is 100 equals 100. So again, you're just putting these numbers in for the Pythagorean theorem, and then seeing if your a squared plus b squared equals that c squared. Huge important part is that this longest side, whatever that longest side is, it's always going to go in for your c value. Your a and your b, you can interchange them. So you could have put 8 squared here and 6 squared here, but again, you're still just going to add those together. So the question was, is this a right triangle? Well, since it checked out over here, since it checked out right here, we would say that yes. But if these numbers were not equal, then we would say no. So I'm going to close this off and I'm going to click yes, this is a right triangle and submit it. Oops, so then I would sign in. Don't forget to sign in, I just forgot to sign in. And you would then go on to your next problem. So that would have given you credit. So again, if I'm making my equation right here, I would then have to put in my longest length for C. So in this case, my longest length is 20. So I'm going to put 20 squared in for the C, and that a squared plus b squared equals c squared equals, and then just do the other two lengths, the 12 and the 16. So it'd be 12 squared plus 16 squared. And then you would just check that. You would see if that actually satisfies, if that's equal, and if it is, you would click yes. If it's not, you would click no. So then you would just check that. And again, if you have any questions, you can always come into my Google Meet during that time or just email me. I will try my best to answer through email. So that is the IXL code EQZ. Hopefully you do well. And again, try to get to that 85-90 SMART score.